Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to identify what kind of app is currently installed on your Mac. There are different kinds of applications, like whether it is an Apple Silicon based app or whether it is supported only on the Intel or it is a combination of both. So you can check that from your storage settings menu. So for that, go to the Apple logo, go to System Settings, and within the System Settings, switch to General tab, and within the General tab, go to Storage. So once you're on the storage, it will calculate all the data that is currently stored, and here you would be able to see the applications menu. Just click on this information icon here and it will give you the list of all the applications that are currently installed. So here you can sort out by kind, where it will display what kind of application it is. So right now Google Drive is Apple Silicon, which means it is Apple Silicon based application. So you can see there are 3-4 applications which are specifically built for Apple Silicons only. And next you can see the FileZilla, Sketch and Android File Transfer, which is Intel based applications which are running on my M1 Pro with the help of Rosetta. And there are iOS apps. These are apps available because I have my iPhone connected to my Mac, and there is a synchronization happening. So these are appearing in here. And then there are other apps which are not of any kind, like these apps are like generally the binary apps. And there are system apps, and if I go down a further bit, I can see the universal kind of app, which means it supports both Apple Silicon chipset as well as Intel chipset. So this way you can identify the kind of application that are currently installed on your Mac computer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.